Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're not only delving deeper into Mocha's world, but also unboxing some stationery products from Gouache. Let's try combining different materials to create a piece of artwork together. 2 months ago, I shared some small artworks made by combining journaling supplies with painting. You can check them out by clicking the link in the top right corner. After seeing them, Gouache decided to send me some of their products, hoping to inspire my work even further. Let's take a look at what I have received. Very adorable letter stamps, also incredibly cute mini material papers, a mini calendar, a botanical book, and even a dictionary. I simply can't resist these little treasures. Next up are the brass clips and the letter M stamp. This is a sticky note designed to look like a manual holder. Various colors of paper tape are essential to me, of course. I've selected different colors to complement different scenes. And these vintage-style material papers, crafted into miniature books, are simply charming. It's worth mentioning these decorated stickers of dried flowers. They look incredibly real and beautiful. And various paper frames. Gouache is a stationery website providing journaling essentials, offering a wide range of interesting products. Plus, you can enjoy free shipping on orders over $29. If you are interested in making a purchase on Gouache, remember to apply the exclusive discount code MOCHStudio to get 8% off. What's more exciting, Gouache is sponsoring a giveaway this time. To enter, simply comment below this video, telling us your favorite Studio Ghibli film and describing a scene from it. Alternatively, you can also share an imaginative scenario featuring your favorite Studio Ghibli character. Check the description for more details about the rules to participate. Now, let's return to painting. As an artist, I love experimenting with different mediums and materials to create unique pieces that breathe new life into my work. So today, I'll be using various mini paper frames to create a mirror room for Mocha. After Mocha magically constructs her tree house in the forest, I imagine her first task would be to inform her family she has successfully found a place to settle down. But how do we just contact each other? Through owls? I believe there must be a more efficient way. I imagine Mocha having a room filled with mirrors and plants. Through magic, each mirror inside can connect with Mocha's family. And these tiny paper frames are the mirrors in today's artwork. If you're not familiar with Mocha, be sure to check out the link in the top right corner for her character development process. Lastly, let's attach the paper frames and add a touch of color to blend them seamlessly into the scene. You can enrich your artwork using materials around you. Just let your creativity flow. That's our creation for today, hoping it sparks inspiration for you. The detailed steps of this painting of Mocha and the mirror room will be featured in the next video. So if you want to follow along with my steps, be sure to stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching.